Oh, nice. Yeah, what's up, One Music? I'm here and I just wanted to play a quick song for you guys. So this is one of my favorite songs. This is Address by Jason Mraz.
Sinin ko pero hindi ako mas kasi president ka.
Tried to be chill, felt so hot that I melted, fell right through the cracks. And now I'm trying to get back before the cool time run out. I'm giving it my best things, and nothing's gonna stop me. About an adventure, ready to get my turn to live some or learn some, but I won't take no more. I'm yours. What's up, guys? Thank you, One Music. Thank you for having me here. And this July 15th, I will be having a concert here in Solaire. So I hope to see you guys there. That's July 15th. And for tickets, you can call 891-9999 or visit ticketworld.com.
Right, so welcome Cian to One Music.
Thank you.
I'd like to ask you some questions about your music and about yourself as well. So many people know you as an actor, but I think everyone's starting to get to know your music side better. So where did your passion for music come from?
It started when I was in middle school. I took up band, and I just love the idea of being able to play music and yung epekto niya sa tao when they hear it, and when you're performing live in front of them, it's just kakaiba rin yung pakiramdam. So to be able to have this concert for them, sana mag-enjoy sila, sana mag-enjoy sila.
You mentioned yung epekto ng music sa tao. When you were acting or playing music, may nakatulong ba yung acting to your music and vice versa?
Yeah, yung fright, yung stage fright, I think nalilesen, but it doesn't go away completely. And the way you have that connection with the audience, I think it plays a huge part. I mean, added extra something, boost of confidence yung acting, being an actor and performing at the same time. It's just a tiny boost of confidence, but yeah, of course it helps.
And last year, your birthday concert was very successful. This year, what can we expect from it? Especially you have very good guests being part of it.
Yeah, this year we have Mateo Gulicelli, Casey Tandingan, and Jonah. So it's going to be a very fun filled night, punong-puno ng kantahan, may mga sayawan. At sabi ko nga kanina sa press ko namin, bubusugin namin ang tenga niyo dahil we have the same team from last year. That's Chino David as my MD and Direk Alco, my director. So expect a level up concert.
And then I'd like to ask you, who were your top 3 musical influences, if you would share us?
Musical influences sa piano. I like this pianist. His name is Dan Kleiber. He plays classical music. I like his music a lot. I also like Michael Bublé. So the way he performs in that stage presence. And I think now I'm medyo late, pero now ngayon pa lang, I'm starting to really like Paul McCartney and John Lennon. Talaga parang ngayon ko lang parang really listen, ngayon ko lang talaga napakinggan yung mga kanta nila. And not just listen, but like actually listen to it.
Then, are you a huge fan of live performances, concerts?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan. I like watching it. But I don't get to watch it live. I get to watch it siguro online or sa mga DVD special features. Yeah, kasi the last concert I watched here was Brian McKnight. Yeah.
And then you mentioned about you're a huge fan of live concerts.
Mhm.
If ever kunyari given a chance na makakanood ka maski nung old artists pa, sino kaya yung pipiliin mo?
Ooh, I think I want to watch. Gusto mo mapanood si Paul McCartney and John Legend.
Together.
No, it doesn't have to be together. Maski magkaibang performance. Who else? Ed Sheeran. Yeah, that's why I have his guitar. I like the way he writes his music and gitara lang talaga siya.
He's coming here in November, I think.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, sana hopefully the ticket's not so expensive. Tickets are overpriced.
And then if there's gonna be maybe a local artist you want to collaborate with in music, sino kaya yun?
Local artist. Huge fan of Yen Constantino. Huge fan of Casey. Huge fan of Bamboo. So, and Sarah Heron. So those are just a couple talagang ina-idolize ko when it comes to music.
And then I guess I'd like to ask you this since your birthday is coming. Ano yung probably your birthday wish for this year?
Yeah, birthday wish, probably just more. For me, I would like to do more projects and I would like to do more movies. But aside from that, I just want to travel. Yeah. So, dami lagi gusto gawin. But yeah, this birthday is coming this July 12th. So, another year.
But we'll be able to see more Cian as a musician also.
Yeah. Yung, oh, no, well, yes, kasi this, we have about 18, we have 18 to 19 songs lined up. So, it's medyo secret pa yung lineup, pero, yeah, a brief, is, we have 18 to 19 songs. Sana nila, I hope they do get to see something, and I hope they will be entertained, and they'll have fun.
Now, we're not gonna ask you about the songs that you'll be performing on your concert. Pero, if you don't mind, ano yung mga usual songs na pinapakinggan mo siguro when you're alone or when you're traveling? Ano yung mga nasa playlist ni Cian Lim?
Ako mahilig ako sa mga hugot songs I love love songs and hugot songs. Dahil, I don't know, sa mga mood, and I like listening to rap. I like listening to Flip Top. Gusto ko rin yung mga kanta ni Apra. Yeah, so, I think depends on my mood. Wala namang in particular, but I like listening to different kinds of music. But mostly love songs and hugot songs.
And maybe we could read some of the comments.
What songs do you prefer? Tagalog or English? Okay lang naman. Any songs will do. Pero usually, I think, ang Tagalog songs, mayroong ibang klaseng kurot yung Tagalog songs. Yeah, parang, pag kinanta mo ng Tagalog ang isang kanta, parang tumatagos, di ba? Parang tumatagos.
And speaking of mga songs na tumatagos, meron ka bang song for Kim Chu?
Song for Kim?
What would it be?
Nakakuha mo parang... Would you dance if I ask you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the Hindi ko alam kung tama yung lyrics, ha? May audio ba tayo? Okay.
And then there's also another question. May tanong.
Ay, galing. This is ano pala, live. This
Yeah.
is coming in live. Basahin natin. So, watching from Tokyo. What's up, Anna Ruth? Annabelle, what's up? Annabelle Paliog. Yeah, Annabelle. Laura Lynn, thank you. Thank you for watching.
I saw another question tinatanong niya. Do you write songs?
Yes, I do. I wrote a couple of songs. About 2013, 2012. It was in my first album. And then the second album puro originals din siya. So I have like a couple of originals. And this one, sa bagong album ngayong July 15, the originals din.
Now, what is it about music that you love the most? Bakit siya very appealing for you?
I think it's a way to, hindi naman, for me, sometimes, this is just one of the moods that it gives me na you kind of get to escape reality. And it's also a time for you to listen, to be deep in your thoughts. And at the same time, it can also be a projector na pinaproject mo what you're feeling. So it goes both ways. It can be something na very internal lang, and it can also be a projector of how you're feeling at this very moment.
Alright, so I guess we can ask Sian to do another song.
Oh yeah. Kanina, di ba sabi natin, Sabi natin, mas agos pag may Tagalog. Ito, this is what I played kanina. And I'll play it again. Since naka-Ed Sheeran guitar tayo. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of but your mouth still remember the taste of my love. Would your eyes still smile from your cheeks? 'Cause darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart can still fall as hard at 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Baby, just touch your hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just want to tell you I am all my gold. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa sa lahat ng tala, ikaw ay iba. Yakap mo ang hanap sa tuwina at aking napapanto at tayo'y pinagtago ng panahon.
Alright.
Yeah, that's not, again, just wanted to share. And I saw this guy performing on YouTube. His name's Aaron. That's his lyrics, by the way. So, nakakatuwa lang to get incorporate Tagalog songs.
Now, Sian, if you don't mind, we'll ask you some trivia questions.
Yeah.
What are three things that your fans don't know about you yet?
Three things. I don't know. I'm pretty transparent when it comes to getting to know me. But one, I paint. I love painting. Siguro sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, I like doing vlogs. And I like playing the trombone. So maybe that's one. That's three trivia things.
Yeah, I saw one question asking,
How many stray cats do you have?
Oo nga, before I had 9 stray cats. Pero now, dahil survival of the fittest sa wilderness. No. Now there's only 5. 5 na lang.
Now, someone asked din saan mo raw saan daw yung exhibit ng mga paintings and artworks ni Cian Lim?
My solo exhibition will be this July 16, day after the concert. It's going to be to follow yung venue, but yeah, that's July 16 solo exhibition.
And then, ano yung favorite shower song mo? I mean, when you're taking a shower, ano yung usually mo kinakanta?
Sa mood ko Depends. Depends sa mood. Kanina, I said I like rap songs, parang yung kanta ni Abra Nagayuma. That's sometimes I just listen to rap to just to get in that zone.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be an angry song. It's just parang to get pumped up.
What about when you're working out? What's the usual
When I'm
track
working out,
that you
I like
listen to?
listening to old hip hop, like mga 2011. No, not even 2000. Yung mga early 2000, mga 2004, yung mga ganun na hip hop na sina 50 Cent, sina Tupac, sina sino pa ba yan? Sina Kanye West, yung mga lumang, a little, not so old, but mga 2000s or mga 90s hip hop. Yeah.
And then I'd like to ask you, I think someone commented this, paano ka raw nag-start sa music? Where did it all begin for you?
It started because my mom's a piano teacher. Tapos, I just took up band in school in the States. So, that's how it started. And we went to different festivals. Tapos nag-ano kami perform. And I guess doon nagsimula yung pagmamahal ko sa music. Then when I got into show business, nakikita ko sila mag-perform. Like sila Eric Santos, sila Eric Santos and sino ba yung mga nakasibilidad? Sila Eric Santos, sila Ronnie Liam pa. I remember nung kinakanta pa niya yung Ngiti na naging pambansang national anthem na ng ating mga show. No, but those are yun yung mga people I looked up to when I entered.
And then someone's also asking, ano daw yung warm-up routine mo when you're performing?
Usually I have then I just have the piano, then I do go over the scales and just drink hot water. Pero the best I think is to nagte-treadmill ako before. Before para lang ma-warm up yung sarili ko and medyo mawala ng kaba ng konti.
To loosen up?
Yeah, to loosen up. Dahil pag medyo pumped up ka na, mas okay yung performance.
So, I was just told, lagi ka raw may dala na keyboard wherever you go.
Yeah.
So, what's the story behind it?
Because, kailangan ko lang talaga to have it with me, especially pag malapit na yung event or yung concert. I just need to have, kasi medyo na papraning ako na parang performance anxiety na parang, oh man, what if I forget? Ganon. So that's why I just need to have it sometimes kasi pag bigla akong kinabahan, I just need to see the notes. I just need to hear or feel the piano. And yun. Then magkakalma ako. Then it makes me feel like I'm even more prepared.
And then here on One Music, we have this segment called Be Discovered Artist, wherein we encourage aspiring artists to share their music.
Mm-hmm. So,
if there's any advice that you could give to them, what would it be?
Oh, wow, advice. Man, okay. Scratch off the idea, or scratch off that thing people tell you that practice makes perfect. There's no such thing. it's really practice makes improvement, and don't believe in Don't believe in perfection. It's all improvement. Wala namang perfect, man. Diba? Just as long as you sing your heart out, you do what you want, and nanggagaling talaga siya sa puso. And just figure out why you're doing this. Diba? Figure out your drive, why, what's behind it and stuff, and it'll give your performance an even meaningful performance. So yeah. So I think para lang mas may, I won't say the thing, but mas may, yeah, just keep on doing what you're doing. There's no formula or whatever. You can't say that this guy's successful, this guy's bad. Wala namang ganun eh. I remember, sorry, bigla lang bumalik sa isip ko kanina, like someone asked me if you're a serious musician. What's a serious musician, right? There's no such thing as, well, to be, in all fairness naman, I also had that question before. And I told that question kay Kian Cipriani. Sabi ko kay Kian, kasi Kian, isa rin magaling na musikero. We were working on the reunion. Sabi ko, Kian, paano mo maging katulad nyo na seryosong musikero? Sabi ko, sabi, ano bang ibig sabihin ng seryoso sa hindi seryosong musikero? As long as you're into music, as long as you love music, then musikero ka. And another advice, just one last advice, just do the work and show up. Being an artist, yun lang yun. There's no one is, di ba? Most of the time naman, we don't know, we never know what we're doing. We're prepared for what we're gonna do, pero we never know what's gonna happen. So just show up and do the work, and the rest will follow. If it's meant for you, it's gonna be for you. So don't get discouraged sa kahit anong sabihin ng, wow, madaming sinabi! Woo!
And then lastly, maybe you could just ask you to invite everyone on your birthday concert.
Okay, so guys, this July 15, sa Solaire, the theater at Solaire. So please, if you guys can make it, show your love and support. That's it. You can call 891-9999 for tickets, or visit ticketworld.com.ph.
All right, so that was Ian Lim. Thank you for stopping by here at One Music. One Music.
One Music. One Music. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And please support One Music and support Songs in the Key of X. That's this July 15th. See you guys. Sige. Yes. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as you may, never no, my lyrics, huh? What's been said between your heart and mine? A smile on your face lets me know that you're leaving. There's truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me whenever I fall. Say nothing at all. Yeah.